Ready to refresh your kitchen without a full renovation? Start with Cabinet Doors and More, where you can get custom doors right here in the US. Explore a wide range of replacement cabinet door styles designed to instantly elevate your space. This is a simple upgrade that delivers major impact. Shaker cabinet doors offer clean lines and timeless appeal. Their versatile design works beautifully in both modern and traditional kitchens. Looking for something more detailed? Raised panel doors add dimension and craftsmanship, creating a classic, elegant look. Recessed panel doors deliver subtle depth with a streamlined feel, offering a perfect balance between traditional and contemporary. Prefer a sleek, modern aesthetic? Slab doors feature a flat, smooth surface for a minimalist, sophisticated finish. Thermofoil options offer durability and easy maintenance, giving you stylish doors built to withstand everyday use. With custom sizing and multiple finishes available, you can create a look tailored perfectly to your home. Upgrade your cabinets with confidence and transform your space today. Shop now. We'll ship your custom order in 10 to 15 business days.